Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a different type of heart, so I guess heart 2. So count 12 blocks into the middle and then turn the 13th block 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this 13th block, turn it 2 times. So now you have something that looks like this, and then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then turn this block up. And same on the other side, so 5 and then turn it up. Now you're going to count 1, 2, and then turn this block to the right. So on this side, 1, 2, and then turn it to the right. Now you're going to take so these blocks, these 2 blocks, and you're going to turn them 2 times. So like that, and like that. And there you go, you have a heart. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.